Welcome back to another video. I am How to Buy Bitcoin. Today I want to address the Grid Trading Bot challenge to make $5,000 into $200,000 in a year by making more or less 1% per day. So turns out it is unrealistic. So I decided to close the grid. I opened the grid right around 23,000 and we were making money around 1% until we had this big pump to 25,000. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So it was right around here. I closed the grid, but I kept my short position because it accumulated shorts all the way up. And then I just manually traded when I saw that Bitcoin had a reversion. So I think it was right around this day. And we saw a big drop and I closed the position with profit in the end. So just to update the PNL, this is what we accomplished with the challenge. $675 in the last 30 days. Which was the time that I was testing with the grid and also the grid with the challenge, and by the end with the manual trades. So those are the results. I would say it is profitable under certain conditions, but it is definitely unrealistic to expect to make profit on the grid every single day. You have to know when to do it and on which pair. If I held it for longer, it would still make money because our range was from 27,000 all the way to 19,000, but I realized that it's too dangerous because it gets exponentially worse as the price moves away from your opening price. So that's what I did. I just closed the grid and I expected some volatility coming. Apparently, we are still kind of on this parallel channel, but I find it very dangerous. We could see a big crash or a big upside even. We'll have to see. But anyway, challenge is canceled. Unfortunately, there is no way to do this consistently. You can do the grid trading bot during certain times. So you have to really pay attention not only to the time you make the trade, but also the pair. Maybe Bitcoin is not the best currency to make the grid trading bot. So if you really micromanage, and it takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, but I guess you could make this challenge, but over a longer period of time and not every day, because sometimes you just cannot do the grid trading bot profitably. But in the end, for me, it was just too much headache. I prefer to just manually trade. Keep an eye out on the Bitcoin price. This is looking like a very strong movement, but again, this could be the local bottom. I think it is going much lower, and if Bitcoin goes to $10,000 or so, I will probably like to do a 2x long from those very low prices. We'll have to see if it's actually going to happen. But anyway, this is a quick update on the challenge and on the Bitcoin price. As always, if you still don't have a Binance account, you can sign up with the best Binance referral code link in the description or in the pinned comment.